Hi everyone, my name is Amrit, back again with another video. In this video, we will continue from the question where we left in the previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, I strongly recommend to go check that video first. The link is in the description and in the I button. Okay guys, so let's now open our questions. So if you see here, this get unmodifiable list, that is question number 7. So I covered it in the previous video, but because IDE was not recorded, so I will cover this in this video. Okay, so our question here is get on modifiable list. Okay, now let's open the IDE. So if you see here, it is already done because I did that in the previous video, but for you guys I will start from the beginning. Okay, so what is our objective? Our objective is to get the unmodifiable list of ages from the person list. Now let's start the person list string. Okay, now it's done. Now we need to extract all the person ages. Now let's extract. We need to extract the person and method reference get age. Okay, so this is going to work. Now let's collect it. Oops, I forgot this parentheses should not be there. Okay, collect, and here we need to collect this as list. Okay, so our target is get the unmodifiable list of ages, but when I'm writing this is actually one modifiable list. I'm going to show you this one only. See here. Okay, so here let's run this one. Okay, let's see if this is working or not. Okay, so if you see here, we have all the ages here in a list, but let's see if it is unmodifiable or not. Ages dot add, let's add another like sorry, 36. Let's add it and see if it is working or not. Okay, now see, the 36 is now added here. We don't want it because we need the unmodifiable list. Okay, in Java 9 we have another one, that is in collectors we have unmodifiable list that will return, but since we are using Java 8 we do not have that liberty. So if you remember, to make a list unmodifiable, we have one method in collections. Now on modifiable list. Now let's see if it is working or not. Okay, let's now align it properly for better readability. Why it is showing error? Okay, now let's see on modifiable list, and let's verify now if it is working or not. Okay, see here. Now because we have added that this is unmodifiable list, this R is not valid now. Why? See here, collection unmodifiable collection art, so it's not going to work. Okay, let's remove this line and run this program. Let's see if it is working or not. See, it's working. Okay, so this is the one I'm planning to do it properly. Okay, let's comment this out now. Now let's get back to the I am next question. Let's see what is the next question. Get the unique list of names in uppercase of persons who are older than 30. Get the unique list of names in uppercase. Okay, let's now open the ID and see if we can do it. So here, let's put this here and up. Get the unique list of names in uppercase. List of names who are older than. Okay, so here we have unique list. If it is unique list, so we need one list here. So let's make it one set here. Okay, so set, and this is name. So unique list. Now let's start the stream here. Now we need to extract all the persons who are older than 30. So we need to filter it. So person, then person dot get age who are greater than 30. Okay. So now we have another one like we need name now. Okay, map. Then name. Name means person, method reference get name. Now collect. So when we are collecting, actually we have another thing to set. So to set is going to take care of the uniqueness of this list. Let's see here. System out dot println unique list, and let's check if it is working or not. See, we have all the unique names. And another thing we have here, uppercase. Okay, we have not satisfied that now, so let's transform it again. Now in this way we have name here. Let's transform that to uppercase. It's too easy, guys. When you understand the streams, you will love it. See, now it is in uppercase. Let's now go to the next. Okay, create comma separated names in uppercase of people older than 30. Okay, let's open the IDE and let's complete this one. Okay, ID. Okay, comma separated. I think it is better. Okay, let's create one. So we need comma separated string. So CSV list string, then uppercase. Okay, all the person who are older than 30. Okay, fine. Now we need all the names. Okay, so now we to extract the names. Fine, name. Now that in uppercase. Okay, fine. So string method reference, sorry, uppercase. Fine. Then we need to collect it. So collect it as string, that is comma separated. Joining, join with comma. Let's see if it is working or not. CSV friends. Okay, let's see. Okay, voila, it's done. Okay, let's now go to the next question. So get here the question is create partition of person list by even and odd age. Okay, that is fine. Let's open the ID and let's complete it. Let's first comment it out. Okay, so create partition of person list by even and odd age. Okay, so let's create the stream and partition is done by collectors, then partitioning by, we need to partition. Okay, okay, even and odd age. Okay, fine. So this is accepting one predicate. So here person dot get, oops, sorry. So this is the one. Now partition by, so person dot get age, now modulus 2 equal to 0. So by this we check if it is even or not. So let's see what it returns map, and this is boolean because it returns true false. Now we need create partition person. Now let's create the person. Now what is this partitioned map? Okay, let's see if it is working or not. System out dot println. Now we have map. Let's see if it's working or not. See, it is working. False. All the odd. True. All the even. 20, right? Okay, let's now go to the next question. Group people based on their name. Okay, let's now open the IDE and see. Let's comment this. Okay, group people based on their name. So basically we are going to group. So let's see what collector we have for that. Grouping by. So here we are grouping it person dot get name. So it will group by name. So if it is grouping, what it is return, so what it is returning, map string. It is returning with the name. So person grouped by name. Okay, so here we have list, then clicked. Okay, let's now see if it is working or not. System order print line grouped by name. Okay, let's run. Okay, see, Amrit, we have Amrit 31, 32, we have Bob here, we have Sarah here, we have Jill, Jack, Paula, Paul, everything. So with this we have completed all the questions. Let's see if it anything left. No, this is the last one. So in the next video I'm planning to bring up some more questions, so we will solve that. Stay tuned for the next video, but before leaving, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.